Hello, I hope you're having a good day. So in this tutorial, I will explain how you can add the countdown timer to Shopify. And the app that I will use for this purpose is GA Agency Countdown Timer Bar. So this is a free app, completely free to use. So you don't have to hire any developer for the custom coding or pay for this functionality. This is a completely free app with no trial option, with no pricing tires, so it's free. Okay, so what you I will tell you how you can integrate this app with no hassle. So click on install, and then once it's installed, the process is straightforward. You have to click on install, and once it is installed, it will take you this welcome page, sales countdown timer. So yes, next, and then take the following step to start storefront integration. So it is saying to enable the app in the theme customization. I will click on enable app. It will open the theme customization for me. You can see it is enabled, already enabled. I just have to click on save so that the changes are saved. Okay, try again. Okay, no problem. Let me refresh the window and I hope the issue will be resolved. Yes, the issue is resolved. So the app has been enabled. Click on next. We protected customer data and fields. Okay, let's go. So the app is integrated. Now we can do a bit of adjustment. So there are basically four types of campaigns: informative countdown timer, top bottom bar, embedded widget, and this is order value booster time, sales countdown timer. So these two are most commonly used: informative countdown and sales countdown timer. I will implement one of the campaign for you, and you can easily set up the other campaigns yourself. Click on next. This is the most common countdown timer that is used, embedded widget. So as you can see how it will look like, you can change all the settings, you can change the design. Currently I like the design. You can also upload your own background image, widget appearance. You can adjust the font sizes and for your title and subtitle according to your brand, and obviously the branding that you have been working for your brand. Timer look, you can style your action button, you can do all the stuff. So currently I'm not concerned with the style, I'm concerned with the functionality. You can add the heading first. Hurry up, this is the heading. We can change it like don't hurry up please. Okay, so something like this, and then I will set up this. I like the subheading, and then fixed minutes. You want fixed minutes or countdown to end it. For example, you want to start the timer at 17th March and you want to end it like 18th March. You can select this option, and you can choose the start time and the end time for your counter. But I will choose a fixed minutes. The fixed minutes is 1 day 2 hours 11 minutes and 45 seconds. For the seconds I want to change it like 30 seconds, and minutes I want to change like 10 seconds. Okay, this is how it is done. We can do the change in the design, but currently I'm happy with the design actually. Overall widget appearance, you can change the background. Let's change the background color to something like this one. Okay, something reddish. Okay, so it will how, let's see, it will look on mobile. How it will look on mobile, it's fine. Click on next. So display on specific products only. No, I don't want to display on specific products only. I want to display on any product. Okay, so click on next and then save. You just have to click on save. Yes, it doesn't need to do this. I will check later. Okay, it says to check the preview now. We will check the preview in a separate window. So this is how we have activated the campaign. You can also activate the multiple campaigns. Like I show you, you have four options for the campaigns, but currently I have activated one campaign. Okay, So this is how the dashboard looks like, how much people have come through this campaign, and all this information will be available in front of you. So we're not concerned with it for now. Let's see how this campaign actually looks like. So I click on online store and I will open any product. So once I open this product, let's see if it is showing correctly or not. The timer is working fine or not. It will take some time. Yes, as you can see, the timer is working 100% fine. And you can also close this timer. If someone is annoyed, he can close the timer. I hope the things are clear, and I hope the tutorial is straightforward and easy to understand for you. Thank you very much.